Are you searching for the perfect school for your child? A place where learning feels exciting and every child is nurtured with care. Welcome to Dominant International School, where education is more than just books, it's about building confidence, creativity, and character. We follow the Cambridge curriculum, ensuring your child receives world-class education from pre-play to standard 5. Our pre-play segment is specially designed to support your little one's early development with love, care, and expert guidance. At Dominant, learning is fun. We offer a range of exciting extracurricular activities, regular fun days, and programs that spark creativity. Your child's health and well-being are our priority. We provide regular medical counseling and ensure a safe, healthy environment. Our aim is complete child development, academically, emotionally, and socially, so they are ready for the future. Seats are limited. Don't miss the opportunity to give your child the best start in life. Dominant International School, where every child learns, grows, and shines. Admission is going on. Contact us today.